Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so, you know what we're doing today?
I'm doing coffee.
Yes, we're making coffee, very nice. Okay, so opening, we're gonna discuss what we're going to do today.
Okay.
We're gonna talk about the last couple lessons, okay?
Yes.
Then we are going to get into reviewing the coffee machine and the what?
Steps.
The steps. Now, the steps, I want you to tell me all the steps, okay? Hold on, when we get there. Good.
Okay.
Okay, when we get there. Then we're gonna watch the video. It's gonna be a different video though. Remember the last video?
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna be slightly different.
What is it?
Okay, I'll show you on my Surface Pro. Okay?
No.
Once we watch the video,
Independence.
independent practice. Now I want you to tell me, Marty, what does independent mean?
You know by yourself.
To do it by ourselves.
To do it by myself and not person.
To do by ourself. Okay? So when I say Marty, I want you to independently go to the grocery store. What does that mean?
Do it by yourself.
Go by yourself. So I say, Marty, I want you to independently
Buy a coffee maker.
make coffee. Good. You're going to do it all by yourself.
Yes.
So that's the goal for today. Okay?
Yes.
Now, our choice words.
Oh, shoot.
Instead of swearing, give me 3.
Shoot.
Shoot.
Oh Lord. Oh Lord.
Oh Lord.
Oh gracious. Oh gracious.
Oh gracious. Okay. Very nice. Okay. So, talk about the coffee machine. What do you see? What do you remember from last time?
We put the water in.
Well, it's not the steps. I just want you to tell me, what do you remember about this coffee machine?
Yeah, we open it.
You can open it, yeah?
Open it.
Here, do you want to stand up? Okay. Okay, so you open it, right? Okay, what else do you notice in here? What are some features?
There's the pump.
The pump, yep, very nice. So can we look at that? No, it doesn't come out. Okay, the pump, very nice. So I'm gonna write these down, okay?
Okay.
So we have the pump. What else do you notice?
The coffee
The actual,
machine.
pot, yep, good. So the coffee pot.
The heating element. Heating element.
The heating element, very nice.
The coffee grounds. The coffee maker.
The actual maker itself, okay?
Coffee grounds.
Well, we're just doing the machine right now.
The lid.
Okay, very nice.
And that's it.
That's roughly it.
With the button.
The button, okay.
The plug.
Awesome, yep.
Plug. Oh Lord. Oh shoot.
Oh shoot. Very nice. Okay, we're not gonna plug it in yet. Anything else?
That's it.
What about on the actual pot? What do you notice?
There's like numbers.
Yep. What do those numbers mean?
How far it goes.
Very nice. Very nice. So if I say Marty filled up to 8, where would you fill up?
8.
Very good. Okay.
Oh, gracious.
Okay, why don't you close that? Okay, do you want to mark off? Oh, we still have to do the steps. Okay? So now, I want you to run me through. You can sit down or you can stand.
Yeah.
You want to stand? Okay.
Yes.
I want you to run me through what our steps
Yeah.
are.
They will put water first. Here,
Think
open it.
very nice.
Open the lid.
Open the lid. Okay, we've opened the lid. It's open. What comes next?
Pour water in.
Pour water where, Marty?
In the bottom part of the coffee maker.
Pour water?
In the reservoir.
Okay,
In the reservoir.
I love that.
Then.
Hold on. Okay, so we poured water in. Now what?
Put the coffee. Here.
Okay, coffee filters. Okay, now what?
Here, put the coffee grounds in. Put it in.
Ooh, I actually like that. No, I like the coffee grounds first because what happens when we do this?
Pour water in.
It blocks it,
Box it.
right? So, how many scoops, Marty?
4.
You want to do 4?
5.
Ooh, it's gonna be strong.
4.
4? Okay. 4 scoops
No coffee grounds.
of coffee
Grounds.
grounds. Very nice. Now, we've dumped it in there. Let's not do it yet. We've dumped it in there.
Now
Then what?
Turn on.
Ooh,
Plug it in.
we've dumped the coffee grounds in there. Good. We what?
Put the pump over the coffee.
Good.
filters.
Good. Pump over the filter.
Then
Very nice.
Then we plug the machine in.
Think about it. Good.
We close the lid. And then we plug the machine, coffee maker in.
Good. We close the lid. Then,
Plug the coffee maker in.
okay, plug.
Coffee maker into the wall.
Okay, then what?
Turn coffee maker on.
Okay,
Then
so we press
on button.
on button. Good.
And we wait for about 15 minutes.
I think, didn't we time it? It's like 8 to 10.
8 to 10
So we wait 8
to 10 minutes.
to 10 minutes. And then what's step number 10?
We drink coffee.
We
Pour it
pour.
into cups.
Good.
Into cups.
Now, Marty, here's what I want you to do, okay? When we're doing this process, we're doing it what?
Independently.
Independently. So every single step that you make, you're gonna grab the red marker, hold on. You're gonna grab the red marker and do a nice line through.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Now, let's hold on. I want you to use this green marker to cross off what we just did. Yep, good. Now, let's take a seat. We're gonna take a seat, we're gonna watch a video, and then we're gonna get into the independent practice.
Good.
Yeah, so we're gonna take that out.
Sorry,
That's okay.
why is it open?
Watch the pen. Ooh, okay.
Why is that open?
It's actually closed. That's open.
What's this?
Let's not touch that.
Anything new?
That's not, yep, I just put it on a couple days ago.
Everything's okay?
I'm doing well, how are you?
Right, it's a break. It's a break.
You ready?
Yes.
Oops.
Is it down? Not one.
Okay, hold on.
What's happening?
Oops, hold on, sorry.
Okay. That's why. That's why.
There we go.
If you're an Oregon homeowner,
That's enough.
2022 is
Yeah,
your
it turns
last
out.
chance to go solar.
No,
In December of 2020.
that's right. It's not. Why is everything broken?
I don't know.
And then we're doing the Mr. Coffee.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn this up. We're gonna start this video, you're gonna watch it, okay?
Yes.
You're gonna come up and what?
Also.
Cross those things off, and then we're gonna start with our process, okay? Press play, my friend.
It measures 9.5 inches tall, 6 inches wide, and 8 inches deep. It won't take up room on your countertop, even in the tiniest kitchens. The glass decanter is adorable. Have you ever seen a smaller decanter? When I opened the box, I didn't think 4 cups of coffee would fit in here, but it does. The housing is plastic. The unit has one button for turning the machine on and off. That's it. No programming, no clock, nothing else, and you really don't need anything else if you just want a basic coffee maker. The unit comes with a removable filter basket. You can use paper filters or buy a permanent filter separately. Also included is a user manual. There's a water window on both sides of the unit, and you can fill water in the reservoir from either side. There's a max fill line for 4 cups. The warming plate is non-stick. There is cord storage in the back of the unit. Before making your first cup of coffee, clean the unit. Run just plain water through the coffee maker once or twice. I ran a 1/4 cup vinegar and 3 cups water through it once, and just water through it twice. It's my usual coffee maker cleaning method. I'll brew 4 cups of coffee, which is the maximum. Make sure the filter basket is pushed in with the square tab in the middle. I'm using a basket-style paper filter. Just push it in. And 4 tablespoons of ground coffee. Just even it out. Fill the unit with water to the max fill line. There is a pause and serve feature where you can pull out the decanter while it's brewing. You just have to put the decanter back within 30 seconds. The 4 cups of coffee took just a little over 5 minutes to brew. There's no beeping, there's no alert to let you know that the coffee's finished brewing. You just have to sort of listen to the machine. The plate will keep the coffee warm. Remember that you have to manually turn the unit off by pressing this switch. There is no auto shut off. I can already tell from the color of the coffee that it looks like the perfect strength. Add a little sugar.
Okay,
Some
so,
nutmeg.
Can I pause it?
yep, pause it. Okay, what are they doing that we don't have?
I have enough sugar.
They have sugar, yeah, we're just doing black coffee, okay? So, go cross that guy off.
Yep. Should I cross after?
Oh, not that though, because those are our steps. We need to cross off what?
Watch video.
Our schedule, yeah? Very nice. Okay, so we're going to begin. Let's push, I need your help. We're gonna push this table all the way back so we can plug in this coffee maker.
Yes, sir.
Ready?
Ma'am. Oh.
Are you okay? It's okay. Ready? Let's go a little bit.
The
A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. A little bit more. Come on. There we go. Okay.
Can't you mean?
Huh?
What is it called?
Actually, you know what? Let's pull out a little bit more so you have a little bit more room to
Open it.
plug it in.
Open it.
Okay, now, listen. We're gonna shut this. Hold on. Hold on, my friend.
Yes, sir. Gracious.
Okay, so we're gonna step back. We're gonna step back. Okay.
Are you doing?
You're gonna do it, but we're gonna step back. We're both gonna take a nice deep breath before we begin. Okay, so I'm going to be recording you, remember?
Yes.
And this is what?
The coffee maker.
Yep, it's independent practice. So very little questions. Okay, now listen, hold on, my friend. We gotta take our deep breath. We gotta take our deep breath.
I did. It's right.
Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, stand up tall. 3. Okay, and you're gonna cross off those steps when you're done. You ready?
All right.
Here we go.
Can I do it? Okay. Open lid, okay, open lid. Can I cross it off? Can I cross it off? Then pour water in the reservoir. How much step 1? 4? Oh Lord. Just pour over then. Keep going. Stop. Oh crap.
Oh, that's okay. It's okay. That's okay. It's okay.
Oh gracious.
No, it's okay. Don't worry, we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna clean it up.
Oh gracious.
That's okay, bud.
Gracious.
That's why we brought these, right?
I didn't mean to.
I know you didn't mean to. That's totally fine.
I didn't mean to fall there.
Say that again.
I didn't mean to fall there.
That's okay.
I didn't mean to first.
Oh, I know. That's okay. Here, can we do a little space though? Let's give a little space and then we're gonna.
Pass it off.
Yeah.
Gosh dang.
That's okay, bud.
Oh,
This is all part of learning, right?
Then do it, but doesn't. Oh my lord.
It's okay. It's okay. No, we're not. We're just gonna leave that. Okay. That's okay. Don't worry about it.
Okay then. Carve. Go to the now.
Okay.
Cross it off. Cross that off. Yes. Cross that off. Yes. Cross that off. Cross that off. Yes. Okay, should we do 10 minutes? Sure, timer, start time. Finish that timer. Good.
Yes, let's set a timer.
10 minutes, can I cut it off?
Well, we haven't wait. And I think, remember what they say in the video?
It did 5 minutes.
Probably 5 minutes, so we should probably do, why don't we do 6?
6, yeah.
How does that sound?
Yeah, that 4 to brim.
Say that again?
Yeah, that 4 to brim in there. Well written on. We're down, like.
6 minute timer. You ready? Okay. Now, what do you think we should do in the interest of our time? What did we run out of? Paper towels. So where do you think we should go to get some? Yep, so let's just walk up to Mr. Netzel and we will get that. But let's make sure we're all clean over here.
Yeah, I got some.
Yep, we're gonna ask him, we're gonna ask him for some.
For towels.
Okay, so let's go. And we will just move the camera over to the coffee maker and the timer. Okay, let's go. Course. Okay, now I want you to clean up. Yeah. So we got still a little bit of water. Why don't we? I'll give you some, and then I will spray.
Why?
So you just clean that up. That's okay. Here, I'm gonna give you more. Keep going. It's okay. There's more. Good. What's that? Yes, absolutely. Yeah, you'll hang out with Asher. Absolutely. Say it again.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
I don't know.
It's okay. So here, why don't we do this? I'm gonna move this. It's okay, bud. It's okay. Okay, let me see the spray. We're not done yet though. We still have to do a few more steps. So let's hold off. Let's hold off. Okay. Hey Mark, can we hold off and maybe come back here and take a seat?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Was it an accident or was it on purpose? Yeah.
Sorry, spelled.
It's okay.
What vein? Cancer vein.
Yeah.
What does cancer mean? This cancer means. It's called. Gracious.
Okay. Very nice. Why don't we move the Surface Pro, if you wouldn't mind grabbing it. Putting it right here, right next to you.
Yes.
Okay? Very nice.
Okay.
We're not going to touch that. Nope.
Alright.
I'm actually going to remove that.
How does it come out?
Okay. So I'm going to go throw these away.
Reset.
Okay. So I'm going to move the camera just so we can see our coffee brewing. Okay?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Hey Mark, would you move let's not open it. Yep, perfect. Move the white piece, yep, all the way over so we can see it. Very nice. Very good.
Okay, I'm just gonna have this. I guess.
Heck yes, Marty.
Heck no. I guess. What time is it now? Okay, it's 10:02. No, it's the actual. Oh, gracious.
Okay, I'm gonna pull a seat next to you. We're just gonna chit chat till that's over, okay?
What are you gonna do? What's this?
After school today, I'm probably gonna go work out. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna go to Oregon Coast.
You're gonna go to the Oregon Coast today?
Yes.
Are you gonna be at school tomorrow?
No.
Oh, lucky. What are you gonna do at the Oregon Coast?
I'm going to Florence.
You're going to Florence?
Yes. But I'm gonna Rory days. What do you do this weekend? Oh, come. Oh, you can't so rude. A burn accident. Gosh, how do you go? Oh, 17, 16, 17, 25, 50,
53. Okay, so you know what? I'm going to change this. From 8 to 10, we're going to say,
5,
what do we put it at?
6.
6 minutes, right?
Yes.
Heck yes. Now, tell me. Once we're done with making the cup of coffee, well, once we're done making it,
I'm gonna turn the machine off.
we're gonna turn the machine off, and then what are you gonna do independently?
It says pour.
Pour. Good. Now we're gonna pour how much?
Half.
Well, how many cups?
2.
2 cups. Now, we talked about this last time. Okay. So I'll see if I can draw here on the board. Marty, here's our cup.
Gosh, that one don't think one. No, no, no.
That doesn't look like a cup?
Yes. When do your mouth say?
Okay. Why don't you pause that?
Scared me, okay?
Okay. Now if I say, Marty, I just want a little bit of coffee, where would you fill it? Tell me when to stop.
Stop. Stop.
Okay.
To there.
Well, Marty, what if I said,
No, what?
oh, what if I said, Marty, I want halfway full. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay. Now, Marty, what if I said,
So, more.
I just want a full cup of coffee, but not to the brim. Tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Okay. Good.
It's a door. What's that day going?
My day's going well. Now listen, I want
Yes, sir.
a half cup. What do you want?
Okay.
You want a half cup? So we want 2
Half.
half cups of
Oh,
coffee.
it's full, actually, it's full.
Well, that's gonna be full. Oh, you want full?
No.
Okay.
What says half, what says?
So we
Half.
both want half cup of coffee.
Shit.
Marty, let's clean up our language, huh?
My master, why no ma'am? Oh crap, that burn myself. No, Asher, but that's right now.
Asher, he's upstairs.
Doing what?
What do you think he's doing?
Going space?
Going to space? I don't know if Asher's going to space.
Ask him that.
You want me to ask him that?
Yeah, call him.
We can't call him. Well, why don't when we go upstairs we can ask him if he's ever gone to space.
No, heck no.
Okay, let's keep our hands off.
Nice, sir.
What do you think?
But I don't get burned.
You don't get burned. So let's keep our hands here. Okay.
Well, rather half plus cup.
Say it again.
What 2 plus means?
2 times. So we need 2 coffee mugs.
What 2 times 2 means?
Okay, now show me on there where the water is.
Down there.
Yeah, so where do we need it? So you know what? We may have actually been right.
On the drain.
8 to 10 minutes.
Oh shoot.
So set another timer for about 2 minutes.
How do it?
That's okay. Let's do this. Let's exit out. Click escape. Far left. On the keyboard. Far left. All the way over. Top. Very nice. Good. Now go click on the 6 with your mouse. Now click 2. 2.
Okay.
2. 0. 0. There you go. Now click start. Very nice. Good job. Now,
Oh.
let's change it again.
Yeah.
We said 6, so we added 2 minutes, so what are we going to say?
1, 2. 2 minutes. 7.
Total.
2.
What's 6 plus 2?
8.
8. So we're going to say 8.
You know? No, we don't have time to do 8 minutes.
Oh, we have plenty of time, bud. It's only 10:08. Let's keep our hands off the mouse.
No.
Okay?
1 minute.
We have 1 minute and 30 seconds. But you know what? We just gotta wait till that water
Range.
drains, exactly.
And then can have samples.
And then we'll go upstairs and we can offer this coffee to all of our students.
Yeah.
And maybe Miss Pinder.
Then drinks. Some people don't drink coffee.
Some people don't. Who drinks coffee? You do. Who else?
You do.
I do. Who else? Miss Pinder drinks coffee. Who else upstairs would
Gray,
drink?
yeah.
Mr. Gray. Does Miss Miller? No, she doesn't.
Why does she only tea?
She drinks tea. Yep.
There's Mr. Asher?
Well, let's offer Asher a cup of coffee. What do you think?
Yes.
Let's keep our hands off.
Alright, it's fine. Gosh dang it. Yes, it's another bird.
Look at that. Look at where the water is.
Down to there. Halfway that was empty. And then what's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal? I love dogs. What's your favorite animal?
Dog.
My favorite dog is